Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is just a Gulf of Mexico weather activity, possible storm update. Here is a giant straight line in the North Atlantic Ocean. Here is America. It's a straight line. That's pretty weird. See that? I mean, how long is that? Because what we're looking at now is water vapor. So, it's like 2,000 miles maybe? That's it. 2,000 mile straight line in Mother Nature. So, with all the activity going on, I thought it would be interesting to take another look with you, semi-live, at this storm. Because, I mean, technically it might be part of Emily. Because, like, let's say that Emily was, by my definition, this is Emily right here. This whole giant thing that came down across Florida yesterday. That's Emily, right? And so it's like a 3,000 mile long storm, and that's the equator. Now, okay, so this is water vapor. The GOES East water vapor satellite. And so you'll see that here's the Gulf storm that is popping up. But you can see that as it's popping up, a line of storms is popping here, and then there's one popping here. And look at all this water vapor headed towards Europe. A little beyond Africa. And look at this neutron star looking eyeball. That's fascinating. Mother Nature creates some fascinating shapes. Yep. Man-made weather, man-made climate, man-affected climate, man-altered climate. I don't think mankind controlled everything, though. That I'm pretty sure of. Okay, so let me keep that babbling and rambling to the minimal until we get to the meat of the matter. Over here at the Wonderground. What is it? Their blog, Category 6. Shows a bit of, I think this is pressure. Yeah, you got 150 millibar cyclonic vorticity, which is wind and mean sea level pressure. So there's a bunch of crazy stuff going on. And there is another look. And if you'll notice the patterns in the clouds in the upper atmosphere, it's almost as like the moisture in the clouds are moving up. They're hitting a wall. I'm sure they're still trying to keep going. Remember, we have been in the season of binary hurricanes, which is brand new. They're like double-barreled shotgun hurricanes. Instead of one hurricane, you get two. Or they combine into one super mega Mothra of storm, cyclone, hurricane activity. Wow, look at that. What does that look like? A squirrel? Rocky the Flying Squirrel? How does that look to you? Okay, but that's what we're monitoring. My gut instinct, since I'm in Houston, Texas, is to, since I'm like 45 minutes away, I could run down there and go see this thing. But as the Earth has been pulsing, as I've been talking about, it looks like the main pulse may have died down for now. And so this storm system might not kick back up for another 8 to 12 hours. We'll see. I need to time the pulse better. I do not have it timing down yet. So, like I said, if you'll notice the straight line, it's like almost like creating a V with, well, speaking of, let me go back to Mike's weather page. SpaghettiModels.com is great as well. What was I looking for? Oh, I wanted to go to actual rain. Rain bands. So, and then usually the models break off about here, so we're not getting the full. But so you got one giant rain band almost going from California through New Mexico. What is this state? Nevada? No, that's Nevada. Crap. Forgive me. States I forget. I'm bad with geography. Texas. I mean, it's basically going through like there. Look at how many states are getting rained in today. Most of them are getting at least a little rain today. Pop-up showers. Got this giant heavy band rain band down here, and this one moving this way. And, you know, we got this thing will be growing bigger with all these by like Wednesday, Thursday. So all this is going to hook up. So everybody should be ready. We're definitely on. Like the models can't even keep up. You know what I'm saying? Like this is a good one because it helps show the contours. Like look at those cloud tops. Look how it flattens them out and then they still keep going. I think we're definitely going to see a bigger pop-up storm all around soon. At least we should be prepared for it. Like with these weird, subtle weather patterns, we're definitely showing signs of getting weirder. There was one more that I really liked. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. This one. All right. Because that's with sunlight. Or maybe it's a different kind of filter, but I mean, that's pretty. For this thing to have popped up, and like I said, it looks like it's kind of dying down. If it was a heartbeat, just on the downbeat, but we need to be prepared over the next few days for the upbeat. Actually, let me go. If you will stay with me for just a bit longer, ma'am. I'd like to look at the overall data. This is the best I can get for now. I picked a good one. But so yeah, that's Emily, people. You know, as far as the weather getting weird. And remember, some parts of Florida did get 7 inches, 7.5. And then a few days before, some parts of the coast got 7 inches. And so if we're seeing regular storms that can drop 7 inches in 24 hours, I think the record is like 3 in an hour, then this is definitely an uptick in weirder, wilder, wackier weather. Is the Mother Nature overcompensating for a hot core? I don't know. But the weather is definitely weird. And this whole straight line thing makes it all more interesting and fascinating. It's like I keep saying, this is 2017. We're in the middle of a live action romantic comedy, fantasy horror film, drama. But we definitely need more cooperation, good communication, and comedy and romance. Hugs and kisses. So remember, we are one American family. We're one Earth family, really, people. And we got to learn to work together and learn to work together fast. Because look at these fantastic, very interesting weather anomalies that affect us all. And not only that, there's multiple hurricanes going on, typhoons hitting the eastern half of Asia. So it's a good time to be aware and stay cool and be appreciative of all the things we have and all the people throughout history that have helped build and create and invent all this really cool stuff we have today, and our friends and families who taught us to be as cool as we are. God bless Texas. Woohoo! And did you hear the good news? The New York Post said boobs are back. The boobs are okay again. I'm like, thank God. So that's great news. All right. Talk to you soon.